Hello, this is Kaustu Patare again with a new video. This will be the last video of the logarithmic tutorial. Today in this video, we will find the value of this particular expression, that is 3 plus log of 343 base to 10 divided by 2 plus 1 by 2 log of 49 upon 4 base to 10 plus 1 by 2 log of 1 divided by 25 base to 10. So we will find the value. First of all, we will consider this both the parts, numerator as well as denominator. So first of all we will write the sum as it is. Okay, so which equal to 3 log of 343 base to 10 can be written as, first we will choose the divide operator. So 3 we will write it as it is, 3 plus log of 343 base to 10. So another divided operator we will choose here, and log of 343 we will write it at 343 and base to log of 10. Okay, so log of 343 base to 10 is log of 343 divided by log of 10 according to the logarithmic rule. As we all know that in the denominator we will write 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2 2 plus 1 by 2. Again we will use the logarithmic operator. Log of 49 divided by, we will use a bracket, that is 49 divided by 4 base 2 log of 10. So 49 divided log of 49 divided by 4 divided by log of 10 plus 1 by 2, we will use divide operator again, 1 divided by 2 log of 1 divided by 25 divided by log of 10. Okay, so we know that log of 10 is equal to 1, so we will write a hint here, hint as log of 10 equal to 1. So we can replace the log of 10 value by 1. So instead of log of 10 we can write 1. So for this we will write log of 3 we will keep it as it is, 3 plus log of 343 divided by log of 10. So what is 343? 343 means 7 raised to 3. So we can write it as log of 7 raised to 3, as we know that 7 into 7 into 7 gives us 343 divided by log of 1 means 1. So in the denominator we will write 2 we will keep it as it is, 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 divided by 2, then log of 1 by 2 log of 49 upon 4. So 49 divided by 4 divided by log 10, as log 10 is log 10 value is 1, so we will keep it as it is. So no need to write 1, plus 1 by 2, 1 divided by 2 log of 121 divided by 25, log of 1 divided by 25. So 1 divided by 25. Again we will put 1 instead of log of 10, and we will not write 1, because writing 1 and not writing 1 is one and same, as log of 10 is equal to 1. So in the next step we will find out the answer of this. As we know that log of any number we know that I will write a hint over here as 7 raised to 3 equal to 343, and another one is we will find for 49 upon 4 and 1 upon 25 we will find out here. So another, we will make the use of the divide operator. We will write 3 plus, now we will use a logarithmic property. You know that the log of a raised to b is equal to b log a. So log of 7 raised to 3 is equal to 3 log 7. So we will write 3 log of 7. And the denominator we will write 2 plus 1 by 2, we will take it as common. So I am taking 1 by 2 as a common. So 1 divided by 2. And I will make the bracket over here as square bracket. And inside the bracket I will write log of 49 upon 4, log of 49 divided by 4, plus log of 1 divided by 25, 1 divided by 25. As I have taken 1 by 2 as a common from both the terms, so I have written log of 49 upon 4 plus log of 1 upon 25. In both the terms 1 by 2 is same and common, it's a product, so I have taken it as a common. Now we will simplify this and this. Now we will write the numerator as it is, which is 3 plus 3 log of 7. We will write it as it is, divided by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 divided by 2 log of 49 upon 4 plus log of 1 upon 25. So we will simplify this and we will find out the answer. What is log of 49 upon 4? As we know that it is a case of division, so log of 49 upon 4 will give me log of 49 minus log of 4 plus log of 1 minus log of 25. Okay, so this is also one of the logarithmic property. As we know that log of a minus b is equal to log of a divided by b, log of a minus log of b equal to log of a divided by b. So similarly I have used the property over here. So log of 49 upon 4 equal to log of 49 minus log of 4 plus log of 1 minus log of 25, as 1 upon 25 gives me as in case of the division we have to replace it by subtraction. So we will move further. I am using the divide operator over here as 3 plus 3 log 7, 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 divided by 2. Now we will simplify this as log of 49 minus log of 4. As we know that log of 49 minus log of 4 gives us 49 upon 4 plus log of 1. So we will add this 2. So according to the logarithmic property we will use a bracket over here. Log of 49 multiply by 1 minus log of 4 into 25. So 4 into 25 gives me log of 4 multiply by 25, and I will close the bracket. So another step is 3 plus 3 plus 3 log 7 divided by 2 plus 1 by 2 1 by 2, put a bracket over here. We will directly write the means given answer, or we can directly write it. So we know that log of 49 minus log of 100, it is log of 49 minus log of 100. So I will write it as log of, and use a divide operator. Log of 49 minus log of 100 means it is log of 49 divided by 100, and I will close the bracket over here. So we are near to our answer. Now it is 3 plus 3 log 7 divided by 2 plus, now it is 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? 1 by 2 in the case, if it is in the front side of the logarithm, 1 by 2 goes to the power. So it will becomes log of 49 upon 100, log of 49 divided by 100 raised to, sorry, log of 49 divided by 100 raised to 1 by 2, 1 divided by 2. So in this case 1 by 2 represents the square root. In this case 1 by 2 represents the square root. So which is equal to 3 log 3 7 3 plus 3 log 7 divided by 2 plus, now 49 upon 100, and square root of 49 upon 100 is log of 7 divided by 100. So we can write it as log of 7 divided by 10, sorry, not 100, 10. So again we will make a simple change over here. So 3 plus 3 log of 7, and this will be divided by 2 . This will be divided by 2 plus log of 7 minus log of 1. Log of 1, not log of 1, minus log of 10. As we know that log of 10 is equal to 1. As we know that the log of 10 is equal to 1, so 3 plus 3 log of 7 divided by 2 plus log 7 minus 1. As 1 minus 3, 1 minus 2 is equal to 1, so I will take 3 as a common. After taking 3 as a common, we got the answer. So 1 plus log of 7 divided by, as 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, so it will be 1 plus log 7, and 1 plus log 7, 1 plus log 7 gets cancelled in this case, so the final answer will be 3. So I will tell you a short recap about this sum, how to solve this. First of all, take 343. So we know that the 7 raised to 3 is equal to 343. As we know that log of 10 is equal to 1, so we will put, instead of log of 10, we will put log of 10 is equal to 1. So instead of log 10, we will put 1. As we know that 1 means nothing, it's a unity. So we cannot we can put 1 over here. So we can, 1 can be written, and or cannot be written. It is same as it is. So it is the log of 343, which is equal to 7 raised to 3, and 1 by 2 log of 49 upon 10. So 49 upon 10 is equal to 49 upon 4. So we will take find the square root of this 49 upon 4, or we can take 1 by 2 as a common. I have taken the 1 by 2 as a common, and then I have used the logarithmic property. Log of a divided by b is equal to log of a minus log of b. Similarly, I have used here 1 upon 25 for it. So log of 1 minus log of 25. So after that, I have multiply all the terms, as we know that log of a plus b is equal to log of a multiply by log of a plus log of b is equal to log of a into b. So I have multiplied the same terms. So 49 into 1 minus log of 4 into 25. So which becomes equal to log of 49 upon 100. And I have taken raised to 1 by 2. So as we know that log of a raised to b is equal to b log a. So 1 by 2 1 by 2 log of 49 is equal to log of 49 upon 100 raised to 1 by 2. And after taking the 1 by 2, it will be it will become the square root of, it will convert the square roots in square roots of 49 upon 100 into 7 upon 10. So log of 10, after that I will split this. So log of 10 is equal to 1, and 1 is get it subtracted by 2, and then I will take 3 as a common, and I will cut or cancel this 1 plus log of 7, and the final answer we got is 3. So this kind of the complicated sums you will get in the examination. So you have to decide what to do and what not to do. Try to simplify the sum. Try to simplify the sum by making it smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay, if you like my video, please share, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel Making Maths Easy. Thank you for watching.